have a sun over there, Mom.
Hey, what happened to that sheet? Who damaged that sheet? The sheet was all one piece.
Hey,
Who
brother.
did that?
Hey, Brother Bird.
Hey, who ripped the sheet?
Maxie Bird. Yeah, you're my brother, Maxie Bird.
I asked him who did the sheet.
Hi.
You should go to sleep, mister.
Maxie Bird.
Maxie Bird, night nights. Not meow. Good night.
Maxie Bird, Max.
Good night, Max.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Maxie Bird.
Somebody ripped your sheet. Who did that? Who ripped the sheet? Hi.
He said, oh, sure.
I heard that. I didn't know if that's actually what I heard or not. But you heard it too, so I guess I heard it right. Good night, Max. Good night, baby. Won't you be mumbling and gibberish under your breath because you're mad at me? No! It's bedtime, silly bird.